everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you've stopped by because you love seeing what people get in the Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. I have here the September 2022 base box, which retails for $28, and then there's like a $1.99 handling fee, so we're just going to call this a $30 box. You get 5 full-size products, and you get to select one of the products in your box. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what the theme of the box is this month. All right, so here is the card. The theme is Real Life Runaway, Strut Your Runway. Maybe there's fashion because it's typically fashion week about this time of year for fall. On the back, they will have the products listed with the pricing and a description. If anyone is curious, I am iteration 40. All right, first item. This is from Avant, and it's the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. So the choice for September was only 2 products. This Avant Night Cream and a makeup product. Well, you may be asking, Julie, why didn't you pick up the makeup product? Well, the reason is because I already own it. This here is from Wander Beauty, and it's the On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. I picked this up for $9 almost a year ago in the Mega Drop Shop, or one of their pop-up sales. This is what the packaging of the one I picked up looks like. One side has a highlighter, and the other side has a cream blush. Lovely product. I just wish almost a year ago I hadn't picked it up in a pop-up sale, knowing that a year from then it would be offered as a choice in a box. Leave me a comment if any one of you thinks that's a little odd or strange that a product that was from a year ago would be in a box now. All right. Mini rant over. How much does this Avant product cost? Knowing Avant, she's going to be pricey. Shut the front door. Can anyone guess? Did anyone else get this in their box? It retails for $134. Yes, let that sink in. I want to know who pays full price for this brand, or this product, or just anything from this brand. I want to say they have a cleanser that's like $110. I mean, this brand is bougie pricey. I am collecting a massive amount of these products through all my subscription boxes, and someday in the future, I'm going to do an all Avant skincare routine and give my honest to goodness opinion on that brand. All right, next item. What is this very large box that weighs like nothing? All right, this is the Perfect Duel Quick Beat versus Mini Base Coverage, Blendability, Precision. What is this? Look Cosmetics Flirtatious. There's a picture of a microphone on the back. Oh, there's a picture of, is this just a sponge? Hold on. Let me stop speculating and open the box. Oh, okay, so there's a brush and a sponge. Don't know why that box is so big. Can we not kill trees? Let's see how much they say that retails for. Okay, so these items are from a brand called Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. This is the Perfect Duel Foundation Travel Set, and it retails for $30. All right, well, I guess with a brush and a sponge, it's what I consider like an old school foundation brush, where it's just kind of flat and you kind of more paint your foundation on, versus the newer versions of foundation are the kind of rounded kabuki where you stipple. I am never mad at getting brushes or sponges. I just question the MSRP they say they're worth. All right, next item. What do we have here? A very small box. This is from Persona, and it's a bronze multi-stick. Ooh, please don't be orangey or too dark. I assume they mean like a contour when they say multi-stick. Oh, that shade's looking promising. And I don't know if I did that when I took it off, but there's a bunch of product in there and it got dinged up. Let me take some from the cap and do a little swatch. All right, that's what it looks like on my finger. And here is the swatch. That is quite lovely. Not super orange, not super cool tone, neutral, how I prefer it, but very doable. The DreamStick bronzer from Persona Cosmetics retails for $26. All right, next item. What do we have here? Something from Basic Beauty. This here is a lip liner duo in the shades Latte and Cocoa. Let me see how brown and or dark those are, because I may put this in a giveaway. Ooh, if they're anything like the bottoms, I'm not going to swap. But let me open up the lid. Too brick red. And this is too dark brown for me and my skin tone and the shades of lip products I like to wear. But I'm excited we got makeup, but this just isn't my jam. I'm sure they're lovely products, but this will be set aside for a future giveaway. The lip liner duo retails for $24. All right, the last item, we have a palette, and it's wrapped beautifully in bubble wrap. It has some weight to it. Who are you from? Okay, so this is from Ace Beauty, and it's the Violet Sage palette. It comes in cardboard, but it's that nice kind, a little heft to it. I find the color story of the packaging is giving off spring vibes, not fall vibes. But let's take a look at the actual color story. Comes with a mirror, and surprisingly, based off of the packaging, I thought there'd be way more greens and purples. There's quite a lot of pinks, and it's very pretty. It's just giving me spring vibes and not fall vibes. Well, there is a darker green, and I guess these could be considered fall, but all of the pinks and even that soft green are giving me spring vibes. It's pretty regardless of the season. All right, let's recap everything that came in the September 2022 Boxycharm base box. I got a cream bronzer from Persona Cosmetics, a lip liner duo from Basic Beauty, a foundation travel set from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics, a super bougie $134 face and eye night cream from Avant, and the Ace Beauty Violet Sage palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this was a decent box. Was it the best box ever? No. Was it the worst? Not even close. I love and enjoy eyeshadow, so this will get put to good use. I am a little disappointed in these lip pencils. A, I don't use lip pencils a lot, and B, just the shades. These would look lovely on someone with darker skin tone than I have, but at least it's makeup. I'm excited to give this cream bronzer a try. Honestly, will I use this foundation brush? Probably not, but I will use the sponge, so there's that. And honestly, I'm excited about this product from Avant because it's a face and eye night cream, which I find interesting because usually you have separate eye cream, separate face cream. Later on when I do my try on, we will determine if that is a good thing or not. I'm just worried it may be too thick and give me milia. It does come safety sealed, otherwise I'd test it and sniff it. But I'm going to leave it sealed up until I use it. Alright, I am curious to see what you have to say about this box. I'm going to list the MSRP value knowing there is one product that's $134, which is insane, especially for the $28/$30 base box. This box is probably going to be close to $200. All right, I'm really curious to hear your thoughts and opinions on this box, and I'm dying to know what you got in your box. So let me know if we were twinning on anything. Also, let me know if any of you selected this Wander Beauty cream blush and highlighter, and if so, what do you think of it? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.